How to remove credit or debit card in Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch a Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of account. Once you're on the account page, at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to the account settings page. Now navigate to the option of wallet. Over here, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of credit or debit card. In the case you have added debit or credit card in your Walmart app, it's going to appear on this page. There you have to click on that and then clear up all the details and then click on remove payment method. You'll get the pop-up, click on remove for the confirmation. With that, your credit or debit card details will be removed. So this way you can easily remove credit or debit card in Walmart app. If you want to add again, you can come to this page and then provide your details and add it. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.